Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and we have to discuss 10 important MCQs of integration. Most important MCQs of integration. Now here, the first MCQs is f prime x divided by f of x dx. So here, this is f of x, it is the function, and this is its derivative here. When the function and derivative is given here, see here, this is 1 over f of x into f prime x. Now this is the function and this is derivative here. So here, if we have to see this here, look at here, this is, for example, here we can write down 1 over f of x f prime x of dx. This is the function and this is its derivative. So derivative is given here, so that will be 1 over f of x. When the derivative is given, then it will be equals to ln x. Then it will be equals to ln f of x plus c when the derivative is given here. Dear students, so the correct option is D of the first MCQs here. When the derivative with the function is given, so this is 1 over x, the integration of 1 over x will be equals to ln of x, and x means f of x here when the derivative is given here. So the D option is correct. Now come to the second MCQs here. First MCQs and second MCQs are similar MCQs. Both are same and both are the board exam oriented MCQs here. In one year that was the MCQs, and the another year we have see this MCQs here, and both are the same, but the presentation is different here. Now you see here, this is f prime x of f of x. This is f of x power n with the derivative where x is equals to n is equals to minus 1. So if we have to put here, you see here, if we have to put here minus 1 f prime x of dx. Minus 1 means 1 over f of x and f prime x. Now it is become same. So that means we have the same MCQs here, the MCQs number 1 and the MCQs number 2. Again we have the correct answer here, f of x, ln f of x. So we have the similar MCQs 1 and 2 with the different presentation here. So these two MCQs are very important here. So the C option is correct for the second MCQs. Now again here, ln power 7, ln t power 7 divided by t. So if we have to suppose that here again, focus here students, if we have to focus here, this is ln t. The derivative of ln t is 1 over t. MCQs number 1, MCQs number 2 and the MCQs number 3. The main concept is same here. So here this is ln power 7 and this is 1 over t and dt. And we have discussed in the first MCQs as well as in the second MCQs, if the derivative with the function is given, here this is 1 upon t because the derivative of ln t is 1 upon t. So just we have to add the power there. So this will be equals to ln 7 plus 1 means 8 divided by 8 and plus c. So the correct option is 1 upon 8 ln t plus 8. The main concept of MCQs number 1, 2 and 3 are similar here. So the A option is correct here. Now see the fourth MCQs here. sine 30 of integration of dx. Mostly students write down the answer, that is sine, the derivative of integration of sine x is minus x. So normally the students write down the minus cos 30 x plus c. That is wrong. Sine 30 is the constant. So the rule is to find out the integration there, first you have to separate the constant before finding its integration. So here, so just sine 30 means, the value of sine 30 is half, that means 0.5. Half means 0.5 of dx. So you have to separate 0.5 here. So dx, and this will be equals to 0.5x plus c. 0.5x plus c. So the D option is correct here. D option is correct here. That is sine 30 dx. Sine 30 is the constant. Its value is 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So we have to separate the 0.5 and the integration of dx will be equal to x. So the 0.5x plus c is the correct answer of the fifth MCQs here. This is x power minus 1 of integration. X power minus 1 here, x power minus 1 we can write down, that is 1 over x of dx. Here, focus here dear students. This is x power minus 1 of dx. X power minus 1 of dx can be written in this form here, that is 1 over x of dx. And the integration of 1 over x, that is equals to ln x plus c. So the correct option will be ln x plus c, that is the C option is correct. So this the correct option of the fifth MCQs is C, that is ln x plus c here. Now dear students, come to the next MCQs here. Now come to the sixth MCQs here, that is 1 lower limit and e is upper limit, ln x divided by x. Dear students, again here this is ln x, the derivative of ln x is 1 upon x. It's mean again the function with the derivative is given here. You see here, this is 1e ln x 1 upon x and dx. And we have discussed this function with its derivative is given, just we have to add the power there, nothing else. So that means integration will be ln x power 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we have to apply the limit here. Function with derivative is given, then just you have to add the power if the simple function is given, and if it is 1 upon function is given, that will be equals to ln x. The linear function is given in the denominator. So now here we have to apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So ln e, it is equals to 1. ln 1 is 0. That means the result is 1. So the C option is correct here. C option is correct here, and we have discussed the solution of this equation here. Now come to the next MCQs. Here C option is correct for the first MCQs. Now come to the seventh MCQs here. This is sine 2x upon sine x. So here we have to use the formula which we have discussed. We have an idea from first year. Sine 2x, it is equals to 2 sine x cos x. It means that if it is possible to simplify the question before finding the integration, we have to simplify the question here. So this sine x will cancel out to this. So this is 2 cos of x, and the integration of cos of x, it is sine of x. We have a formula here. the integration of cos x, it is sin x. So the correct option is 2 sin x plus c. That is the A option is correct for the 7th MCQs here. Now come to the 8th MCQs. Again a very important MCQs here. This is 1 plus cot x of the radical divided by sin square x. Now it means if we have to find out the derivative of 1 plus cot x, so the derivative of 1 is 0, the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. That can be written 1 upon sin square x. It's mean again here the function, and this is its derivative here. So first we have to explain here the 8th MCQs. This is 1 plus cot x power half, and this is 1 over sin square x can be written cosec square x, because 1 upon sin it is cosec x, 1 upon sin square x it is equals to cosec square x. Now we have to set the formula here. Now if we have to suppose that this is t 1 plus cot x, so this is dt over dx, it is equal to the derivative of 1 is 0, the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. It's mean negative sign we have to shift here. It's mean cosec square x dx, it is given here, so we have to shift minus sign to the left hand side. So again here the derivative with the function, constant and negative sign can be transferable there. So just with the negative sign, just we have to add the power here, 1 plus cot x, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 3 upon 2 and plus c. So here the correct option is correct answer is minus 2 upon 3, 1 plus cot x, 3 upon 2 plus c. This is the correct option, minus 2 upon 3, 1 plus cot x, 3 upon 2 x. So the correct option is A option is correct here in this MCQs. Cosec square x, this is the formula. We have the formula. One MCQs, normally one MCQs comes from the formula there. So please remember the formula of all integrations there. The integration of cosec square x, it is minus cot x. We have a direct formula here. Now come to the last and the 10th MCQs. This is the cot ln x upon x. Again this is ln x, and we have the derivative is 1 upon x. That means this is ln x and its derivative is 1 upon x. Again we have used the same strategy here. Again we have to use the same strategy here. This is cot, this is cot of ln x 1 upon x of dx. So when we have to suppose ln x here, let it is t is equals to 1 upon x. So this is dt, ln x, and the derivative of ln x is 1 upon x, and again we have the same situation here of dt. So that means the function become cot t of dt. So the integration of cot d, it is ln sin t, ln sin t. This is the formula. So ln sin and t is ln x. So we have the correct option, sin ln of ln sin ln x plus c. So the c option is correct for the 10th MCQs here. Dear students, we have discussed the 10 most important MCQs of the integration here. Wish you very best luck for your exam. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.